Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert multiple object topics up in Excel. Okay. Now go to Home tab. See this clipboard. Click here and go to your browser. Any browser. Now search here your name. Now see this manage photo. Simply this photo. Copy this. Right click mouse. Copy image. Right click mouse. Copy multiple image. Okay. Okay, and go to your program. Now see this copy multiple image. Select your locations, past all. Now see this automatically insert this image. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Okay.